Promoting unity between Hindus and Muslims in India is an important and complex issue that requires a multifaceted approach. Here are some suggestions. 1. Encourage interfaith dialogue. One of the most effective ways to promote unity is to encourage people from different religions to come together and engage in dialogue. This can help to build bridges of understanding and respect between the two communities. 2. Promote education and awareness. Education is key to promoting unity between Hindus and Muslims. By providing opportunities for people to learn about the beliefs and practices of other religions, we can break down stereotypes and promote greater understanding. 3. Celebrate diversity. India is a diverse country, and it is important to celebrate this diversity. This means recognizing and valuing the contributions of people from different religious and cultural backgrounds. 4. Address discrimination and prejudice. Discrimination and prejudice can undermine efforts to promote unity. It is important to address these issues and create a more inclusive and tolerant society. 5. Encourage political and social leaders to promote unity. Political and social leaders have an important role to play in promoting unity between Hindus and Muslims. By speaking out against discrimination and promoting policies that support unity, they can help to create a more harmonious society. It is important to recognize that promoting unity is a long-term process that requires sustained effort and commitment. By working together and taking concrete steps to promote understanding and respect, we can build a more unified and peaceful society in India.